The new cats on the block. 4 of them. 2, 3, and 4. This one has a nice black fur. Same with his sibling over there. And of course, the other sibling with white, majority white. Usually the regular color. But we're impressed with the darker colors of this batch. They've started playing and moving a lot. We thought we lost them last night, but they returned. Look at those fur. It's not usually it's white, majority white, but now the furs of this batch are majority black, which is nice. They will be adopted soon. Somebody requested them already from mother. Look at the kittens. Lata sila? Yeah, they're awake.